Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have a new stationery unboxing to do. If you didn't know, Piper Paper Company now sells stationery, planners, and other goodies, home decor things like that, in addition to stickers. So I ordered a couple of things. This will be my first stationery haul from Piper Paper Company. Let's see what we've got. Let's see. Okay, it comes with the little packing peanuts. Let's see. Try and get this out without dumping out all the peanuts. So let's take a look. Ta-da! This is the planner. It is, I don't know what these are called. Are they like C-rings? Something like that. It's not a spiral. And then I also got this daily list, and I thought this would be cool to be able to punch it on one of the sides to use in my disc bound or in some A5 rings. Also half letter junior size, and there's 2 packs of the daily lists. So let's see what we got here. So for the daily list, let's open this up. This doesn't look like white paper. This looks like a cream colored paper. Let's take a check and see. So this is white, yeah. So hopefully, I'm pretty sure you can see the difference. This is cream, it's not white. I kind of don't like that. I like white paper, but it's not a deal breaker. So it's got the daily list. It's very light, and you all know I'm having eye problems, so this is not good for my situation. Switch glasses here. Hopefully I'll get this resolved soon. So it's from AM to PM, from 6 to 6, so 12 hours or 13 hours. And it's got meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Grocery lists, this very small space for that, but I mean, if you're just writing down stuff you need each day, I guess. Then self-care, movement, hydration. There's something underneath that I cannot see. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then it has a note section and a to-do section. I don't really do the timed thing, but it would be nice to track my time during the day to see where it's going. Usually I try to be done by 6, 7 o'clock anyway, so the time part of it works for me. To do it's nice. I mean, considering it's a notepad, the paper quality is nice. Yeah, and if you punch, let's punch one. Let's punch 2. So let's punch it for rings. I might just punch 1, because you can punch on the right side, I think, or the left side. It looks like there is enough space to do that. For the A5 rings, make sure we got it all the way in there, and that is in the center as much as possible. So that's how it comes out, and it does get in the way of the numbers, but not a whole lot. Not a whole lot at all. And if I punch the other side, I think it would be fine. So you could actually punch it on the right hand side, punch all of them on the right, and then you could use the back page for notes. So you could use these kind of like inserts. Then let's try and punch one for this bound. Gonna put this on, so I put it on junior size, and let's slide this in here. Probably have pretty much the same results. Well, actually it invades on the times a lot less than the rings does. So either one would work, and like I mentioned, you can punch them and use them in your planner, your A5 rings or disc bound. So both of those would work. So I'm not going to open that one. So then this is the actual planner. It's neutral. Again, junior size. Let's make sure. So, ooh, it's a little, I mean, it's junior size if you include the C-ring. I'm going to call it that until somebody tells me otherwise. And then the height is 8 inches. So it's not really junior size. The paper is about 5 by 8. So it's a little smaller, as you can see. So I'm guessing that this is true junior size. Yep, 5.5 by 8.5. So this is smaller. It's not extremely heavy. It's a matte finish. There's no coating or anything on it, but it's a cardstock. And again, the paper is, it's not white. It's a creamy colored paper. This says, I don't know what is with the teeny tiny writing. It's Wild House paper, created in California. That's nice. 100 weeks of planning, 100% recycled paper. So this says an intentional, undated weekly planner to flow with you just as life does. So I kind of read it from the bottom to the top. And now we're here. Okay. So this is how it is set up. So you got like dash, kind of like, well, no, it's not dashboard style, but it has the dashboard looking boxes. So I guess it would be considered a cross between horizontal and vertical, because you have these 2 columns on the outside edges. So it's Monday through Friday and then weekend. So you don't have a separate Saturday and Sunday. And it has the week of, the date, it's got meals. So each one of these has, okay. So you will put the date next to it. You have your meals for that day and self-care, motivation, hydration. So it's a condensed version of this, basically without the time, without the notes section, things like that. So, but you still have room for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. So, I mean, it's pretty cool. Mantra for the week. I don't necessarily need that, but that's what it says on this side. So over here is week of, mantra for the week on this side. And it said how many weeks. It really just gets straight to the point. I don't think this might be 24-pound paper. I don't think it's heavier than that. I'd be surprised if it is. And it's pretty cute. It makes me want to give up my DIY planner that I have for my crafting and just to play with this. And it looks like it has umpteen weeks in here. And that's it. That's all that's in here is weeks. There's nothing in the back, no extra pages. It's all weekly pages. Pretty cool. So if you're in the market for a planner, and it was made in California, made in the USA, Wild House paper, I mean, this would be nice. It would be really nice in a cover. So this is in between the size of B6 and A5 or half letter or junior size. It's like in between. So that is it. Let me know what you think of this planner in the comments below. And you can use my discount code if you decide to go over and check out what other stationery products Piper Paper Company has. They do have other notebooks. I just chose the daily because I thought this would be something more useful for me, but they do have other options. So check it out. Use my link, which will be in the description box below, along with my code Rachelle20 to save 20% off your order. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.